We will now test this Konwei. This is one brand scanner. This one is for BMW and Mini and Rolls-Royce. They have bunch of different tools for different brands. If you are interested, you can check out their store. But first let's see how this scanner can do. Now I already tried to test it, but when I first powered it up, it was in German language, which I cannot understand. And then in menu, I wasn't able to find option to change language. So I had to connect it to laptop and then download, update, and also that update allowed me to change language. So now it should have English. It also updated to new software. So we have all fresh software. So I will connect this cable. Now let's screw on these bolts. So we have stable connection. Now these scanners are designed for simplicity. They might not be the most advanced ones, but definitely easiest to work with. They don't even have battery, so you don't have to charge them. They simply run on power from your OBD2 port. And when I connect, it will power up automatically, and already it started. So we have OBD2 diagnostics. That means same like with any engine code reader, you can connect to any car with OBD2 system. And then you can read fault codes, see live data, so it also can do global OBD. So it is advanced full system scanner for, maybe not advanced, it is full system scanner for BMW, but you can still use it for any car brand for that global OBD. So scan engine faults and check engine data. And I'm relieved to see that now it is in English. So let's just straight jump to BMW and see what this scanner can do. Let me turn on ignition. I have weak battery in my key. Okay. Ignition turned on. Now let's go to BMW. Let's try automatic identification if it can detect. This is E61 5 Series. It was able to detect VIN number E61 5 Series, engine 530D, automatic transmission, bunch of other data. Everything seems to be correct. Okay, so what do I do now? Escape. Arrow right. No, this just goes in circle. Okay. Arrows? No. So definitely not most user-friendly tool. And then if I do escape, or this is just for identification. So let's try manually select 5 Series, E61. Okay, so you have to go to manually select to actually scan systems. Let's just do system scan, and this will start scanning all of my control modules. Doesn't seem to have the fastest scan. We are only at 10%. Okay, it is finishing this scan. Now before I played with a couple of scan tools, and it should have about 12 to 14 fault codes. So let's see how many the Konwei was able to find. This free PDF is better than Car Mechanics School. It will tell you exactly which scanner do you need and how to use it better than most mechanics. Download for free in description. Okay, so we have list, but it doesn't say... Wait, these are just good. Okay, so it just tells me which modules were scanned, but it doesn't tell me codes, which is not ideal. Okay, let's go into some module. This is, I think, immobilizer module. Module information. Read fault code. No fault code in this module. We can clear fault. We can read data stream. Remote control key. Yes, so this is immobilizer module. So this car has fitted 3 remote controls, which is interesting because I only have 2. So there is 1 remote from my car somewhere. We can check programming state. This just says VIN number, but this is okay. So for this scanner is enough. It's just displaying data. They are stored in car. And we also have special functions, because before I was testing similar scanner. It was, this one is KW480 and it was 450, this one for VAC. And when I came to any control module and open menu, it didn't have special functions. So here we actually have access to special functions, for example, disabling, enabling key. Now we should see 10 slots, help of key number. Or maybe it is not like 10 slots like in E36, but actually we have access to special functions. Pretty good. So for example, let's check transmission module. Recently I did transmission adaptation because I had problem that car would kick from second to third gear. So let's check if I would be able to do this with this Konwei. It should be here in special functions. Reset adaptation values. Okay, that is pretty good. Do you really want to do it? No, I don't want to do it. But we do have it here. We have special functions for mechatronic adjustment, oil change. So definitely I like this one way better than one for VAC already. Let's try head-up display module. Read fault codes. No fault codes. Head-up display is working fine. Let's check ABS module. Read fault code. No fault code. But does it actually display fault codes? I should have fault code in battery management module. Or trailer module. Trailer module must have faults. Because I have fucked up that hook for... Let's check faults. No fault code. Okay, just about when I was trying to say this scanner is pretty good, it is fucking up the most basic thing any scanner is supposed to do, and that is reading fault codes. But wait, we have fault code here. Okay, so we can see some faults, but I cannot really verify, right? Because it doesn't say number of fault codes, it doesn't say which modules are faulty. So right now I cannot confirm that it is enabled to scan all fault codes, but there is no way to verify. I don't want to go over 30 control modules and then compare it with other scanner, right? So even if it can scan all faults reliably, it doesn't tell you in nice easy way. So it is unusable for reading fault codes. When you read fault codes, you want to have nice report, or at least bare minimum, just tell which control module is faulty so I can go into that module and read faults. I don't want to be guessing which module have fault code. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, so it can scan systems. It can do automatic identification. We also have some basic service resets, so oil reset, battery matching. But then also, as you saw in that immobilizer control module, once you get to some module, you will get access to more service resets. And now in settings, in this tool, there is no option to change language. You can do that only with software update. And from what I have seen, you can choose German, English, or Russian, so only 3 languages. Now, would I recommend you to buy this? Not really. I mean, there are better tools in this price. If you have laptop, you can do ISTA or IMPA, or then if you want to have one brand scanner, there are some different options, but way easier to work with. You can do diagnostic reports, easier to scan for faults. There are just way better options out there in same price range. Honestly, I cannot really recommend you to buy this, but it is linked in description. You can check out more information. This free PDF is better than Car Mechanics School. It will tell you exactly which scanner do you need and how to use it better than most mechanics. Download for free in description.